That's why I love it. Anything's possible. Look at this, y'all.
More bets.
Here come hard 8. Alright. There we go. Or a horn. Look at this, y'all. So roll 44.
It's time to
Then it rolls
place your
62.
bets.
You roll 62, then it roll 44. Roll 62, then it roll 44. Roll 62 again. Guarantee
Combat
44
field
is
bet.
coming.
All the hard ways
Put
are
another
available.
nickel on it. 10 more there.
Last call.
Change there.
Place your
Watch this,
bets,
y'all.
please.
That's all this roll is 8 and 9. That's it.
No more bets.
Literally, watch
Good
this.
luck.
Gotta be 8. 44. 11. There you go. I pressed it up.
Take the
I always bet a horn after 9 when it comes. I press it.
Place your bets.
Take it to 20.
Yo, 11. Take the dough. Good in the
Right.
field and come.
Let's go. 2, 2, 2. Come aces now. Look at this, y'all. So that's 1,
Last call.
2,
Place your
3,
bets,
4,
please.
5, 6, 7, 8. Damn, I hate saying that number. Come on, baby, shake it off. Doom, doom. Knock for the tap. 4, 4. Another crap. I took it up to 20. You ain't betting it? It plays in your head like it can't come again. I saw 4 12s in a row once. I got 30 on it. I don't even care about the field.
All the hard ways. Please place your bets. Last call. Place your bets, please.
All right, y'all. Here come 4, 4.
No more bets. Good luck.
All right, 4, 4. Another. I know you got some of it this time.
Yo,
You
11.
got
Good in the
all the
field
roll.
and come.
I got 40 on it now. and I don't even
Place
give a
your
damn about the
bets.
horn. But if it, I know one thing: when something keep happening,
Yo,
bet it.
11. Take the dough.
On these
Single
damn
the
things.
field. Come bet is a winner.
36 minutes.
Last call. Place your bets,
I already
please.
printed these tickets, y'all, off this roll. Literally.
No
We
more
already up
bets.
so
Good
much
luck.
damn money. What time is it? What time is it? Hold on, let's see. 8. 10. That everything on 8. It has not missed the 8. 62 44. I should have hopped.
Place your bets.
That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Let me.
Last call. Place your bets, please.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
more bets. Good
I'm
luck.
hopping the 8s on the come out bucket. Let's see. It can't keep rolling 8. All right, 9. Well, like 9 too. I should have hopped that.
9. Mark it up.
Yeah, 8 and 9. You know it's gonna do that. And I always throw a horn after 9 though. Here come a horn, people.
The field is alive after 9.
All right, y'all.
Field bet anybody? Last call.
All right,
Place your
y'all.
bets,
There it
please.
goes. All it's rolling is 8 and 9.
No more bets. Good luck.
That's all it's rolling is 8, 9, 9 right back. Oh, damn. That was a good roll too, y'all. Printed 3
7
tickets.
out.
Got it up to that. Just had to let y'all see it, though. That was
And the
nice.
last come, pay